What's going on, y'all? Real quick, I want to say thank you for 200 followers. I'm gonna post this on my Instagram. Like I said, I reached a really big milestone for me. I'm gonna try to keep this video short and sweet. I said I'm gonna try to start incorporating THIRSTday videos for Thirsty Thursday. So I'm gonna try to, start doing like cocktail drinks, little recipes, things like that of that nature. So this week we're gonna start simple. We're gonna start with a Moscow Mule. Yes, a Moscow Mule. Fun fact, the Moscow Mule did not originate in Russia, Moscow, okay? It actually originated in California, I believe, in the year 1941, okay? So that's a fun fact. So what you'll need is you'll need a vodka of your choice. I believe Smirnoff was the actual first vodka that they used for the Mule, but I just love Tito's. I think Tito's is the best vodka to me. Obviously you got Ciroc, stuff like that. I don't drink a lot of white liquor. ABC stores are empty of everything. I can't find Hennessy, can't find Remy, I can't find tequila. What's going on? You're gonna need, like I said, you're gonna need some vodka. You're gonna need some ginger beer. This is a really good one. I just tasted it for the first time. They had a $2 off coupon, so that helped too. So there was a whole bunch of different options, so I went with that. You're gonna need some lime, and you're gonna need some fresh mint. Organic, fresh mint, organic, okay? So yeah, and obviously some ice. So what we're gonna do, if we're making this for me or my girl, I know she wants it a little strong. So we're gonna start off with a shot. A shot. Let's do a shot and a half. Sure, why not? All right, a shot and a half. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these limes. Hit it off like this. Get up in there and get a whole bunch, get in there. Yes, sir. I've been bartending for about 27 years, man. I'm from LA originally. I've been bartending for everybody. Take some mint, fresh mint, like I said, organic. Got this from Harris Teeter. Food Line didn't have it. Just had a couple of little pinches in there, a little bam, a little bam. Okay. Now we're gonna take our ginger beer, add a little bit in there, just a little bit. Let's add some ice. See what we're working with first. That's all right. The dogs will get it. Add a little bit of ginger beer in there. Let's touch it a little bit more mint, make it look nice. Bam. And let's give it a stir. It's all about that wrist work. Next video, I'm gonna have it set up, okay? I'm gonna have it set up. Doing an old school style right now. Do a taste test. That's good. It's gonna need a little bit more lime. Just a little dash of that, more lime. There you go, right there. Moscow Mule, refreshing. I know it's starting to get a little cold outside. Still, I can drink a Moscow Mule anytime. Again, I'm doing this video because I reached 200 followers on Instagram. I appreciate the love and support. I got a whole bunch of stuff coming in the works, giveaways, travel vlogs, things like that. But I appreciate you guys joining me on the journey. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll be back with y'all. Well, I got 2 drinks, so I'm out. Peace.